Artificial Intelligence Trader. Today I want to do something new. Normally I use metadata trader for my charts. Now I want to look at TradingView. I had some problems, so let's share my adventure how to install it and how to make indicators and learn the language. The programming language for TradingView is Pine script. Metadata trader is like there it is MQL4 or MQL5 is like a sort JavaScript or Java code that you have to write. This Pine script is more like Python, so maybe easier to use and to understand for people. But also there is a way that you can generate this Pine script by artificial intelligence from the playground from OpenAI. So that we also will use. I think we try to use that mainly to generate the code, and then we adjust the code if there are bugs. So to install it, we have to go to the correct site, and there were some issues. So I found out that if you go to you type in Google TradingView/desktop, and you go to that link that you find here, you will find the correct the correct site to download it. Here you can download it. Then you also have to make an account and other things. This is the way. If you try to download and you find another site and this is a zip file, don't trust it. Use this method to install it. If you install it, it will result in this. So this is already, I have made an account for me, so I can use it. Still, I didn't pay anything yet. This is your free account. So this is what you get. The Pine editor here, you can write code in it, but we don't know how to write the code yet. So how do we do this? Let's go back to here. To learn Pine code, we type in Pine code, Pine script, of course. Here. There we see the first hit we see is here, step-by-step guide. No, that is what we want. And here we see an algo free. We don't need this. What is Pine script? If you use Python, so this looks like Python. It has a lot of libraries, same as Python, of course. Why should I use Pine script? Have some limitations. Okay, we all believe that. We want to know how to code it. So this is, if you don't have an account, make an account, sign up. So that's already what I did. I used my Google account to create the account. Look at the editor. We saw already in this that the editor is here. Here's the editor. Let's go back, and then we go seeing how to write it. So there's the comment. The comment is the same as Python, /. Then you need an author, you need a version. Indicator, so probably the type of what kind of indicator you make, or study or backtest. Then you need a plot, of course, in the chart. I think that's what they are telling. And then you do a close, it means it is end. Get here. So you have the code, you can run it, and they call it by script, and that's it. So let's look if this will run. But we can use this, or we can use something like this. Here we go to the AI playground from OpenAI, and here you can ask questions. Write a Pine script for 200-day moving average with comments. Let's look what we get. So it generates this. But we are missing something, because if we look here, it says already that you need to use this version number. We saw the version number somewhere. And let me look where it was. Pine script editor. Here indicate the version number 5 and author. So let's add this to this code, and author also. So place it in the correct position. I think we put it under this thing. So this looks a little bit better. Let's copy paste this, put it in the Pine editor. I already had the name there. I already had the name. You can change it double clicking, and then you can change it here. So now we are, it says already here some red things, so probably this would be errors. You can see that I try to run it again. So you can do save. Can you not clear this? Oh, clear console, that's perfect. We do a save, scripts not modified, and then we do add to chart. That's like compiling here. Compiling would function referent SMA, so we can double click this. This there. Can we maybe ask for help? Not really. So we have to look what this error is, but that is that we do in the next one, because we do debug it later. So oh, we see here also something in the chart. Look at this. We see some text here, so that is also does something we don't want. But yeah, this is oh, maybe, oh, I see, I put it as in text there. Okay, maybe that's a problem. Yeah, okay, so this is the chart of USD. That's what we always trade at Artificial Intelligence Trader. And yeah, let's continue this later. So this was the introduction, the first episode of this playlist. And let's look how TradingView, and especially with this AI, openai, that can help us with creating indicators. So see you later.